98.8% of my signups came from nowhere. Not really. They came from somewhere. My analytics just couldn't see it, which means every decision I made about content was a guess. My AI agent read the raw database and found the one column that broke everything. Here's the actual query. Let me give you the real numbers because they hurt. Around 80 people signed up for Threadify from my YouTube videos. Threadify is my software. That is a 93.7% leak. And for months, I couldn't see it. So I'm posting videos, the views are fine, and signups are happening, and I'm assuming everything's working, but it's not. And this was a real shock. It fucking sucked, if I'm being real, because you put effort into this system and you think it's going to be growing over time, and then it turns out there was a leak. So here's what was actually broken. When someone clicks a link under one of my videos and signs up, the system is supposed to write down where they came from, which video, which link. But for 98.8% of my signups, that field was empty, blank. My best videos and my worst videos looked identical in the data because everyone arrived from nowhere. I didn't find this, my AI agent did. I gave it read-only access to my database, and it came back with one finding. The source column is null on basically everyone. Then it did something I didn't expect. It wrote the fix. 1,821 lines of code across 28 files. I counted, it counted, and then I checked. The fix is a tracked front door. So every link under my videos now goes through one route that stamps each visitor with which video sent them and which link they clicked. Every step they take after that, sign up, connect threads, make their first post, pay, gets logged with that stamp still attached. And there's a private scoreboard that shows me video by video what actually turned into money. So this unlocks a lot because it means that I'm going to stop guessing which content works and start doubling down on what's actually converting, which is what I've been missing from these videos because of this leak. And one thing that I need to be very clear about is that I don't merge code and AI wrote into my production app on Vibes. My engineer, Sam, he reviews everything and then applies the database changes and ships it. So the AI found the bug and wrote the repair. A human is still turning the key here. So while the agent was in the database, it found something else. It compared everyone who's ever paid me with the 1,400 people who signed up and never paid. One behavior separates them more than anything, and that is people who pay scheduled their first post in their first week. 59% of paying users did it. 8% of everyone else did. If you schedule in week 1, you're 6 times more likely to become a customer. That one sentence is now the definition of activated in my business, and AI derived it from receipts. This is literally me reading this out live for the first time. I had no idea that that was the case. So here's the experiment, and you are part of it. The link under this video goes through the new front door. If you click it and sign up, you'll be one of the first humans this system measures properly. The fix is live in production right now. This video's link runs through it, which means this video is the first receipt of its own story.